With the new generation high-temperature direct drive extruder, it can heat up to 350 degrees. Which can support printing various engineering materials. The auto-bed leveling function with 25 points of precise positioning ensures the success of printing, excellent effect, and smooth surface on each printing work. It is a perfect machine for large and industrial applications. The friendly pull-out design of the heated bed makes it easier to remove the printing model. Can be widely used in different industries, such as the auto industry, mold injection, medical, aerospace, and so on. Made for large-scale and high-temp 3D prints. Mingda MD 1000 Pro. It is a first choice for the manufacturing industry.